Good morning. Welcome to Hit and Run Candlesticks and Rick's Market View, and it's Friday. If you take a look at the SPY chart, you can see that our downward trend was not broken at all yesterday. We had a open above the T-line. Pretty much all day it traded down until late in the day, and then it started picking itself up a little bit here. Nice wick on this bottom. Could be forming a hammer type candle where the bulls might be looking to hammer in that bottom and try to run it up. But until we get through this upper channel line, I will assume that the best trading is going to be day trading or scalping. I would prefer to do a little swing trading, but until we get above this area right here, I think the pressure will be on the market to push it down. Also yesterday, price closing below the T-line kept the 2 exponential below the 2 line. What that does is it shows us that our momentum to the downside is still there. That's our downtrending short-term signal, and it is still downtrending. Of course, a positive candle today would at close above the T-line would put the 2 back above the T-line. But as the morning futures are looking right now, that doesn't look too promising unless it is a late day rally. We have the August lows that we may be looking at to test, and if we fail the August lows, then we'll talk about what may be down below here. I've got one short and one long that I'd like to talk about. Here is the long. I'm sorry, here is the short. YOKU. We pointed this out in the trading room yesterday as it was coming down through the T-line. As you can see, it put in a bearish engulf, failing the 20-day moving average, coming back through the 20, coming back through the T-line. We have a swing low buy signal with the T-line, the 2 EMA, now trading below the T-line. You want to watch for weakness on this. With weakness, I would certainly want to short. The other chart we have is a long. This is CEDC. CEDC put in a double bottom, had ran up, and then it's consolidated for 2 or 3 weeks right here. Starting to move up. It's now above the 20 simple, the 34 exponential, and the 50 simple, breaking out of a ascending triangle. We could see this come up into the retest this top area here, and certainly retest higher. Do keep in mind the market is pointing down. The intermediate and the short-term trend is down, so there'll be a little pressure on some of the longs, but just because we have a downtrending market does not mean that you can't have longs or make money in the longs. There will still be charts moving up. And that's it for today's market view. I do appreciate it. Remember to trade cautious today, and hope to see you all in the live trading room. Thank you.